Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram message not receiving problem. So how to fix, first of all open your Instagram, then click on profile icon, then click on three lines, then click on setting and privacy, and from here scroll down, then click on message and story replies, then click on message control, and from here click on your follower on Instagram, then click on message request, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your mobile setting, and from here scroll down, then click on app management, and from here you tap on app settings, set for this Instagram app, click on Instagram, and from here tap on permissions and make sure that allow all permissions, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your app store and play store, and from here you search for this Instagram, click on Instagram, you make sure that update your Instagram app. After update your Instagram app, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.